Task Force X. We've been running simulations on your chances against the Flash. Short answer, you're below potential.
Is the long answer, you're below?
You lost 573 times. But you won twice.
Or we could chance it.
A venue fit for ancient Greece. Watch thrilling tales of war and peace.
Minor criminals banding together for a campaign of lawlessness. Do you think I haven't seen this before in Arkham? Gotham? Another thing I know. The ringleader never cares for their pawns.
Stay on mission, squad. We kept those terminals locked down tight.
Hello, Metropolis. It's the middle of an alien invasion. So why are armed supervillains stalking our streets? At least based on his clothing, one appears to be convicted contract killer Floyd Lawton, aka Deadshot. Given his reputation for taking the underworld jobs, how dirty, what's wrong with his life? The same goes for his accomplice Arlene Quinton, aka Quinn and Lawton are being accompanied by what appears to be some kind of fish man and a fourth nondescript. Given Brainiac's ability to control members of the team, is he moving on to lower-level metahumans to fill out his invasion?
Ready to rewire your brain?
Or is Metropolis in danger of becoming the next city? Metropolis, stay safe out there and avoid these four. They're armed, dangerous, and likely up to no good.
Coming for you.
Rising high a sun-kissed tower, a beacon of the city's power.
I'm at the park. Time for Boomer to make his big move.
Citizens of Metropolis, the safest place is in your home.
Hack, we need you to link up Waller's phone to every TV screen in Metropolis.
You got it.
Where is my phone?
Greetings, Metropolis! Presenting the one, the only, Captain Boomerang! And help!
What did I tell ya? I'm no one's sidekick. Flash, I'm calling you out. Only one of us pulls off the red tights look, and it ain't you, Speedy.
Stole my phone? That's a federal offense!
Yeah, we're ready for a rematch, Flash. A rematch with a bullet. We're gonna give you the content you love. A good old-fashioned freak show! Speaking of... What are you doing, mate? I'm smiling. You're right! Terrify the bastard! Perfect! When I think of the Justice League, I think of Wonder Woman, Superman, Green Lantern, Batman. You don't want to mess with that lot. But you, Barry, you're just the team mascot, aren't you, mate? The comic relief. The speedy flaming larrikin. Yeah, he's the loser of the league, folks. The fastest man alive, according to all these girlfriends. It's the
Sorry.
Hey, Metropolis! Do you like live executions? Well, don't touch that dial, or I'll break your fingers.
I was like, how do you like
We
that?
saw it, sweetie. Now get your damn gun out!
Wow, guys! You duct taped Lex's anti-speed force doohickey back together? Oh, you all got one! Hooked you up. First to fess up dies last. I did want to grab you one at a time and run fast enough to burn the skin off your bones. Friction, you know? Ouchie. But I don't need to touch you to tear you apart. So let's play!
Hi, team. Really hope Flash is listening to reason, but to be safe, use your counter shots on Flash to keep those Speed Force decouplers positively charged. Yeah, if they run out, he could tear you apart with his Speed Force. You won't be able to touch him, but you probably won't feel it.
Requires more effort to access the Speed Force. Our technology is working.
Shoot him while he's winding up, before he tears us a new one.
I'll almost feel bad killing you rambunctious scamps. Hey, Boomerang! Catch! The winning side's recruiting. Come on, you four, join up. Remember when I punched Lex's heart out? Good times.
Guys, wang a grenade and flash his lightning mine bullshit, or he'll pin me in again. I mean, pin us in.
You guys, it's so cute how you think you'll live through this.
Okay, a few surprises, but I've got some of my own.
Okay, you four! You want to see what the Speed Force can really do?
Keep that decoupler charged. The Speed Force can be super dangerous.
Just a little winded. Ever been tased, Quinn? You wanna be?
Another tornado? You need a new bit!
Looks like we're powered up for payback, Barry.
Aren't you four a little curious about seeing your Kolu?
Yeah, it's more than you thought when I'm done, Flash.
Get it together, Flash. Get it together. This lightning bolt's just for you, Boomerang. Seriously? What do you think four washed-up crooks can do against the might of Brainiac? Give up! Wonder Woman's not gonna save you this time.
He summons the winds again.
Tell you what, give up now, and you won't get Junior Justice League badges or lobotomies. Haven't decided. Just need to, recharge a little.
He's throwing a tornado at him.
Speed Force tornado takes a lot out of you.
Kinda hard to miss the big red target.
Come on, kids. Call it quits while you still have all your fingers and teeth. Have some lightning, Quinn.
Kinda busy saving the world with Brainiac, so let's get this over with quick. Cool? Cool.
portal. You'll love it. Have a Speed Force tornado, kids! And okay, just feeling a little woozy.
He has created a tornado.
Shoot the flash! He's good and windy.
It's charged! Let's see how you like a blast-kicking flasher!
Look out, Sharky! Stay still, Quinn! I can run between seconds. You still think you're a threat? Those mines aren't gonna step on themselves, guys!
Flash, you've been speechless.
I spent years trying to outmaneuver these. You can't outrun this, Boomerang.
Let me just catch my breath. I'll kill you guys in a sec.
Oh, he's making another bloody tornado!
I made a tornado for you four. And this is the best I get.
There's Flash. Bring him up.
Slow it down, Flasher! Oh, I've got a bit of a stitch! Get him!
Think of this as a triple joy buster, Quinn. I'm not done. I can't even hear you over my bloodstream breaking the sound barrier.
And so the Flash has expired. He saved our lives, yet we ended his. As honorable warriors, we will show proper respect to this fallen hero by...
Show a little class, man. Holy shit. Congratulations.
Makes sense. The gods have cursed you in every other way.
Guess you got what you wanted, Boomer. Too bad no one saw it.
Yeah, well, I saw it, all right. Look, I'm not gonna make a big deal of it.
Oh, thanks. We really appreciate
But I've prepared a speech. It's necessarily long. Take a seat, Sharky. I know you love the dramatic stuff.
I really do.
To my massive and disappointingly male fan base.
I don't think the ship dug your bait and tackle show, Boomer.
Run!
That was a short speech, Boomerang.
Yeah, real bummer we won't get to hear the rest of it.
Don't worry. You'll have time for last words. That man was the first friend I made on the League. We were gonna see Brainiacs do Colo together. You're gonna wish you stayed in lockup. Oh. You need another lesson, convict.
I want to learn how far I can shove this foot up your glowing green ass.
Deadshot, we're gonna get creamed if we don't get out of here.
You should listen to the Section 8 here. You are gonna get creamed.
Nah. I'm thinking this round might go the other way.
More insubordination? Okay, Floyd.
What can I say? Killing your first Justice League asshole perks you right up. Waller, you're gonna want to fill us in right now.
We must find a way back to Metropolis.
Guys. We're still in Metropolis.
Trackers for Lex Luthor?
Not getting shit done up here. And we're exposed.
Anyone got a better idea than following a dead guy's heartbeat?
I do not.
Sure! Let's find dead Lex in dead Metropolis. Ha! What could go wrong? What you think Australia's like? Watch some bloody TV, mate!
I know you got weird ass shit under the sand that wants to kill you.
Oh, right! Yeah! That's a less hurtful stereotype! And it's been totaled. Guess this place has its pros and cons. Anyone home? Undead Lex Luthor? No? Well, that was another bloody waste of time.
Riddler was here? In the Hall of Justice? How can that be? Finally, the quality of riddle I was promised.
I say we try the elevator or we get spelunking.
Scrabbling in the dirt of a dying world, working with scraps to finesse my escape plan.
And you've jeopardized everything in 3 minutes!
Hi, we're looking for Lex Luthor. Bald guy, rich, big hole in his chest.
This is Luthor. His scent is the same. Mostly.
Ah, come on! We all saw what happened. If this is him, how'd he grow his hair back so quick, eh?
My hair is hardly...
people he could send. That explains why you're dressed up like Deadshot and Lady Boomerang. Outfit yourselves and meet me topside. We have to move while the storm clears. Wait. Did you say Lex Luthor is dead?
Yeah, mate, kinda.
The fool. We need to leave.
No. Hold up. Stop. What the hell is going on here? Where are we? How are you alive? What happened to Metropolis?
Is it a parallel universe?
Yes, this is a parallel universe. To you, it would be an Earth 2. Invaded, defeated, and now terraformed. I had been communicating with your Lex Luthor, preparing him for Brainiac.
I want boots on the ground, flushing out every rat hole till you find them. Save Lord Norton for me. I got something special in mind for him.
Topside. Now.
Redheads. Who died and put him in charge?
Everyone else on the planet.
You might as well put my collection to use. The previous owners, self-styled heroes and villains. I doubt they're in a position to miss them now. Though strong as individual artifacts, optimal power comes from completing the set. An aspirational goal for you, if we survive our escape.
Shaka, put that sniffer to work. Anybody been here?
I'm no bloodhound. Hear that step out clues, Boomerang?
Our escape plan is necessarily simple. Protect my mobile lab while we cross the ruins of Metropolis. When we reach Lex Tower, I will phase us back to your Earth.
This is gonna be like in that movie. The one with the desert.
I'm speaking. I built this vehicle for stealth, eluding the Skull Ship's scan frequencies, not confrontation. None of us are leaving Earth 2 without it. If they lock on, we lose any chance of escape.
That signal tower will make short work of my stealth systems. Clear the troops and destroy it post-haste.
Boomerang found me. Redeploy.
I'll need to divert all power to countering the tower's scans. This lab doesn't move until it's down. Is waiting. I'll adjust for the delay.
Okay, I'll bite. What's with the giant metal jellyfish?
Brainiac's storage units. A captive human population awaiting enlistment into his army to fight on your world.
Why didn't you bust him out then, mate? Make an army? Beat Brainiac? Jeez, pull your finger out.
This is the level of strategy your world's boomerang employs?
Hold on. I still don't get how Lex faked his own death.
Faked his boomerang? What do you think is happening right now?
If I'm being honest, I wasn't strictly paying attention back there. But I want to say, time travel?
I'm not your Lex. This isn't your
dimension. We're in a variant timeline. Lady Boomerang was picked up.
Dear sweet Lady Boomerang. An ambush. Countermeasures to slow their scanning are not unlimited. Your assistance is mandatory. I swear, Boomerang. Focusing on Boomerang.
Oi! I'm having a go at Harley's target!
Aha! The tower's structural weakness is revealed. Hit it, please.
Hey, new guy. What do we call you?
Lex Luthor.
Yeah, but that's kind of weird. We saw Lex die.
I'm just gonna stick with Luther.
I was just brainstorming.
Let's try out Lex 2 for now. Until something funny.
So, this planet Colon, is it a big shitty beach too?
Colu? No. We are still within the harden my dust phase of the terraforming. Continuing the analogy, consider these Coluan smart crystal structures as the scaffolding. In a few more years, this world will be a more accurate copy of Colu. I don't intend to be here to see it. Wonderful. Brainiac's phased in another signal tower. That's a problem that will need your brand of solution. Terran signature found. This isn't a secure position for a layover. Destroy the tower.
That's all for you.
Calm down, Deadshot, mate! I'll shoot your target!
A vulnerability has opened on the tower. Apply yourselves.
Hey, we want that signal tower or are we chasing us?
One variable solved for. Continuing on. Luther Corp is waiting.
Gotta give Luther props for staying alive. Real survivalist ish.
So he drank his own urine. Big deal. Who hasn't drunk their own urine?
There, Lex Tower. What remains of it? I'm preparing the lab for phasing, beginning power distribution. It's going to attract attention.
Just an observation, but you and other Lex's architectural choices kind of feel like, compensating for something.
You think it's too much? Wait, why am I talking to the help?
You said said that before, and I still don't care for it.
As I predicted, a statistically likely area for an ambush.
In this world?
A very astute question, Shark. I believe it exists in both universes, acting as a conduit, if you will.
Nah, teacher's pet!
I'm not
The final stretch. I wouldn't expect this to get easier.
You and me, Shark, we're vicious!
The instruments will take a few moments to calibrate. It's critical you defend the laboratory.
Boys, let's protect Lex 2 before they wreck Lex 2.
You won't endure.
Just gotta limber up on them.
Scan buildup. Their chances of foiling our escape are increasing.
Conceptually, this should still work. Just the power draw.
Anytime, Lex. Anytime.
Just a few more calculations.
To the nearest 10.
No purple sand. No recirculated air. It does smell like someone died in here. But damn it, I'm free. Is everybody present?
Boomerang?
I'm here! Don't worry, guys. I'm here.
Yeah, we were all so worried.
Come in. I repeat, Task Force X, come in!
Waller, listen. We've got a problem.
You vanished. You better have a damn good explanation.
Explanation or you kill us. We know. How's this? We killed Flash. You're welcome. And got sent to another frickin' dimension for our trouble.
You were there? How in the hell did you get back?
Well, funny you should ask that, 'cause... Hold the line, hun.
I am not your hun. Tell me what
Waller
happened.
of this world can't know I'm here.
Sorry, buddy, but we got no reason to lie for you.
Nothing personal, but we'll get 30 years easy off our sentences for bringing you in. Alive this time.
The same devil's bargain my Waller made with Task Force X back home.
Quinn!
Breaking up in tunnel.
I was enlisted into her schemes just like you.
Answer me!
Her choices got you all killed.
That does sound like her.
And us. Get this into the inner sanctum computer. I can prove your Waller's the same type of monster.
Quinn! Answer me! Talk now! Or I'll make sure it's never.
Our comms, they busted. Our comms were busted.
Denning, get in here! You said the comms upgrade would be seamless. I've had it with your shit. Get your ass to the garage. You're on gerbil cleanup.
Yeah, Dennings! Get your shit together!
Denning sucks.
You four, we're gonna have a chat about this other dimension. Return to the Hall of Justice, now! Waller out.
You owe us.
And I'll repay you in full.
Well, go on then.
This adaptive technology will increase the lethality of your weapons.
Haven't had any complaints about my lethality, but okay, how does it work?
It's a self-correcting neural...
How does it work?
This unit is an adaptive nanotechnology fabricator. Put simply, it learns from your weapon use and constructs enhancements. Any questions?
Why does it look like a spider?
Oh, why wouldn't it?
They killed one of our own, Bruce. I'm giving them a full military tribunal.
If they didn't perish on the other side, then I'll continue scouting for them. You have your objective.
Tell Brainiac not to worry. I'll focus on the shield and deal with those 4 murderers.
Don't let them get under your skin.
Yeah, copy that.
Slow day.
Aren't you four supposed to be out saving the city?
She's having a day. We all are. The word to the wise, try to keep the bullshit in check. That means you, Boomerang.
Do you hear me?
Mm-hmm. And the update for Mr. President.
He can kiss my ass. Where are we on LexCorp?
Still digging through what I could decrypt from our raid on the LexCorp offices. Luther knew about the end of the other world for 2 years. I got guesses as to who was sending.
You were there. Is it as bad as it looks?
Whatever went down, it killed their Earth.
8 billion gone. They had our resources, our defenses. And they lost. We won't. Colonel Flagg.
Brainiac's skull ship is shielded from conventional weapons. That's Green Lantern's handiwork right there. As long as Lantern is still breathing, we're stuck with that ship over our heads.
Lucky us. We've got 4 killers who just bagged their first meta. They look ready to rack up another win against the League.
No biggie, but the last couple of times we tangoed with police brutality out there, he gave us a stomping.
What is your damage, son?
Look, Flag, mate, are we really that different? I'm just saying, you want a bond, mate? I'm here for you.
Don't be here. Don't ever
Colonel
be here.
Flagg, I'm starting to think you were right about Task Force X working as a 3-person squad.
Think about it, eh?
It was Boomerang's idea. Punish him. Oh, I committed a cybercrime.
Hack, situation report.
Energy surge. A massive energy surge coming from the skull ship. Lots of power and heat. What are they cooking in there?
Get out there and take a recon position, Task.
What's the limit?
One of the League has fallen. This act will not go unpunished. We will eliminate the resistors, eliminate the Argus militia, eliminate any obstruction to processing.
Warning, Metropolis. Please remain indoors. I repeat, remain indoors. This sudden change in weather? Not a coincidence. The skull ship appears to be responsible. I have never seen lightning behave this way before. No, not even in this city. I promise to report through this freak storm for as long as I can, but it... God. Anyway, let's steer clear of the lightning, Metropolis. I'll see you on the other side.
Feeling the need.
We're getting updates to the command chain. Now that the Flash is dead. Hey, we don't need to worry about that trooper. We're still under Batman. I take the point to the
Skulls are cool to 2 kinds of people. Weird teenagers you have to keep an eye on, and grown men who get snake tattoos.
Hang on, I've got a snake. Oh, yeah.
Perhaps the skull ship is gathering power to leave.
The hell? We just killed this guy, right?
Well, he looked pretty dead to me. But then Lex was...
That ain't Flash. There's too many. There's some kind of... Flashensteins!
So the Nogginmobile needed all that power to cook up new flashes. And people call me a waste of energy.
So all these assholes got speed tech now?
So it would seem.
Then charge those decouplers and hit them like we hit Flash.
Grab Brady! Take this!
No escape from my wrath.
We're seeing the shark using its full strength.
He makes the shot from hang time.
Any surviving units, secure those boomerangs for study.
Yeah, I'm reloading. Oh, this is gonna make me come out in a rush. Stand on a concert.
Poor explosives handling, Quinzel, but lethally effective. Hardness is on a streak. I want it halted.
Oh, this is gonna make me come out in a rush.
Is the situation under control?
Big situation? Maybe.
Holy shit! This thing's even more famous than I am! Saw one just like this in weapons.
How'd you like that, convicts? Flash was my friend. Now I've got a whole lot more friends. See, Brainiac's behind stepping up my manhunt for you four. You can't run from these Flash troops. And you can't hide from my enhanced choppers. Lantern out.
Hey, Lex. Time to earn your keep.
Just one moment without crisis.
It ain't all good plumbing and free lunches on this side, Lex 2. We need the big bad green guy and his mean green shield gone.
Meet me at Wayne Bank, Vault 27. The device I gave you will be your key.
How would you like to alter your brain today?
Think fast! The unstoppable Outlaw guns them all down!